on 4-hour time frame of gold or XAUUSD, we have this trend line for the price with 3 touches on that. I told you that with the break of this to the upside, we can have a buy position here, set our stop loss somewhere safe. We can actually find a candle in the lower time frames like 1 hour or 15-minute time frame and put our stop loss below that we can have a better reward, which we got our risk to reward for somewhere here. And also we had a resistance which the price was going up and touches a level. We don't care it was a resistance in the past of the market or not. The price touches a level and starts falling, so this is a nice level of resistance. We draw that line, resistance line. In the lower time frame we had some reactions to that resistance. We could also enter a sell position there, actually risk on that and enter a sell position, set our stop loss above the candles and look for our reward. Or also we had a triangle here which was broken to the downside. We could also enter sell position with the break of that to the downside and put our stop loss somewhere safe and get our reward. But right now on this trend line we have this nice pin bar candle. Which we can risk somewhere here. Right now the price is a bit higher, but if the price can start falling a bit, somewhere here we can actually risk and enter buy position, set our stop loss below the candle and look for our reward. Let's check weekly time frame of gold. I have something special to tell you. RSI or relative strength index is showing a bit of weakness in the market, okay? And also the shadows from upside are showing that to us, okay? We have a divergence here. If you know what is divergence, you know the price is making higher highs, okay, but the RSI is making lower highs, okay, like this. And with the shadows we see on the weekly time frame, it is actually a bit dangerous to have buy position open somewhere here, okay? We should wait for some trend lines to be broken to the downside, like this trend line here, which I will show you on the daily time frame. With the break of that to the downside, we can enter a sell position and set our stop loss somewhere safe and look for our long-term sell position, okay? If you are trading long-term positions, I don't do that myself, but if you are, you can actually enter a sell position in that case. Let's check daily time frame to see that. We have this trend line here, which will actually, with the break of this to the downside, we can enter a sell position. We should enter on daily time frame, okay? We should see the candle on daily time frame, not any other time frames. Because if this can be broken on 4-hour time frame or 1-hour time frame, it can easily be a fake breakout and start returning to where it was, okay? It should be broken on daily time frame, not any other time frames. Let's check lower time frames to see what we have. With this candle, I don't believe the price can start falling, okay? I myself, this is a pin bar which is showing the prices, you know, actually is getting rejected from here, this level, and also this can be a nice level of support. You know why? The price was going up and touches a level and it makes a correction a bit. With the break of that, it goes to the upside, okay? So this can be a nice level of support, and the pin bar on this support is a signal to enter buy position. I told you the scenarios, you know what you're gonna do. So thanks for watching. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel, and also leave me a comment. Tell me your ideas about the future of gold or XAUUSD in the comments, and actually by technical side, and if you have any questions you can ask me in the comments. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.